Hi guys, how are you? Guess where I'm going? I'm going to get Gary. Finally. What? Oh, I need a haircut. What is with me and my hair and videos and whatever? Who cares? Y'all don't care. Apparently I do. I just don't like the way I look. Anyway, I need a haircut. Going to get Gary, got my water. I'm doing intermittent.
We're awarding lazy
every
people.
time.
I mean, it's no, but
I forget every time the radio comes on after a delayed thing. So, it's 10:48. It is 86 degrees. It was 70 this morning, and I didn't get out there for a walk because I was going to do yard work today. So, and I can't eat until like 1 o'clock. I'm doing intermittent fasting. I lost 5 pounds so far. Yeah, don't get excited. That was 5 pounds I gained in September. So what is that? Water weight? Anyway, which is really easy to lose. So we'll see. So yeah, still at the 20 pounds I lost in March. So hard for me to lose weight. And I'm not eating much because doing intermittent fasting, I'm only eating 2 meals. Yesterday, let's see. I had chicken salad. Like we had roast chicken on Sunday, I think. Yes, on Sunday. And then so yesterday, I made chicken salad with all good stuff in it. Onions and cranberries and nuts and what else did I put in there? Well, obviously mayo. I didn't have any celery. Usually I put celery in there. I don't remember. You know, apples. I put apples in there, and it was super yummy. So I had that for lunch, and guess what? I didn't feel like making dinner. I had leftovers, so I had that for lunch, for dinner. And I think I might have had a banana and a granola bar. All right, and 2 coffees. That's all I ate. I don't feel like that's that much, and I'm not talking like a huge amount of chicken salad. I give up. No, I don't give up, but whatever. I'm eating for health first. Obviously, I do need to lose weight, but I've said that again and again. Anyway, I'm going to get Gary, and aren't you excited? So we're just going to obviously work on the yard. I don't really have a plan. We're not going to Home Depot. That just wastes so much time. I think if I need to go Home Depot, I'll go on the days I don't get him or before I go get him. It just seems to, because both of us like to meander in the store. And so we're not going to do that. We need to be productive and get some of that done. So I think I'll concentrate on that front section of the landscaping that's right by the front porch. That little section with the path and stuff. I think we'll concentrate on that. The bushes need trimmed. Actually, I'm going to take out 2 bushes. Well, I'm not going to take them out. Gary is. I don't know how we're going to do that. We might use the truck. The other truck, not this truck. Hubby would kill me. Anyway, that's the plan. And I'm going to go get him, and I'll see you in a little bit. Calvin wants to come out. No, you're not coming outside. I know. All right, just to update you, I don't know if you've seen this from the fall porch decor video. So if you we'll back up to where I left off for the landscaping. It was supposed to be summer makeover, yeah. So I had done this area, well, I did it again. So as bad as it was the last time, I had to do it again. That's how bad it was. So Gary is in the garage now getting the trimmer. Actually, he's not going to be able to do that with the electric hedge clippers. You're going to need to do this with the clippers.
What?
You ain't going to do that with the hedge clippers.
Well, eventually I'm going to have to.
Yes, but the big stuff
Yeah.
is going to have to Yeah, so he's gonna start there. We're gonna concentrate, like I said, on this area. I don't feel that bad out here. It's actually kind of nice. Well, that's because the sun is in the clouds. But I think it's 86.
If Calvin and Hobbes singing the, I thought that was spring.
It also means fall. The birds chirping.
Spring is falling apart.
When the birds come, it means it's fall. Not those birds. Oh my God, they're going to town. Wow. Yep, they're all in that tree over there.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you.
Looks good.
Maybe just a little.
Huh, I think it's fine.
Just like that? Okay.
Yeah. Looks like it's leaning over though, but there's nothing you can do about that. All right, moving on.
Through the night, 'cause I promise you this.
Sorry guys, I filmed that in time lapse and I didn't need to. Take this bush out.
There's that.
Whoa. That's a huge difference. Wow. Yeah, wow.
Come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow and the old ways.
Okay, and Gary's trying to get that bush out. And then this is what happened. The two bushes were together and then this part got dead, but it should grow back. I'm trimming it. It's gonna look a little weird because I'm trimming it a lot, but it should grow back. And all the roots from these trees grow up. It's, yeah.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me.
Getting a little carried away. I think it looks okay though. It'll grow back. I just gotta get rid of some of this stuff. Now you're gonna dig that up now?
Yeah, I could cut away for it.
Okay.
It'd be better just to dig it.
Okay. All right, we did all the easy parts, trimming everything, and now we just got to do the bending over part. So I guess we're gonna move all this stuff out of the way. just to see what it looks like, because the water feature I think is going to go there. And Gary didn't manage to pull that bush up. I think I'm going to set the pot right there so that nothing grows there. I think I'm going to, in that pot right there, I think I'm going to go ahead. I know I just bought these for the porch, but I think I'm going to go ahead and plant those in there, because I can get some more plants to put there. And I actually planned on doing that anyway, just not this soon. I didn't think I was going to do it this soon, so I think I'm going to put those in there. I guess I should put the pot where I want it first. I think I'm going to move everything. I'm going to have Gary move everything. Bob's bonsai trees that he doesn't take care of. Yes, I'm calling them out. Everything but the bird bath. I'm going to clean that out, maybe not today, but and buy some new cactus to put in there and stuff, because it was like a little cactus garden. So all of these aloe are going over there behind, not behind the swing, like way behind the swing, over there where the bushes are. There's just way too many aloe. I showed this in another video. Look at how the aloe has freaking multiplied times 10. So yeah, so that's gotten crazy. So, and those aloe are not in that pot, so they're in like a pot inside of it, like a plastic one. So I can take that out and put them over there. Maybe I'll have Gary do that a little bit of that now. Anyway, he's taking a break, and I need to take a break and go eat. Okay, Gary and I just took a little break, little lunch break. Sitting here with the fan going on, because did I say it was hot? Because it's hot.
There's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always.
Okay. Yeah, this is the hard part. Ugh, getting there. Oh, what a mess. And something, I don't know, can you see that? I don't know. Something bit me on my arm. It looked like an ant, but it don't look like no ant I've ever seen. It was amber colored, and it was, you could see right through it. It was very light amber colored, and it stung like, yeah, bad. Now I got a welt. So, fun stuff. I see Gary over there, and I am not getting up. He's gonna try to fix the swing or something.
New day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain.
Alright, y'all, that's what it looks like. I think we did something here. That's it for today. Well, we have to clean up. And Gary, you gonna hang up that the thing? Yeah, he's gonna hang up the cow skull, whatever that is, way up there. He's gonna do that, and then I'm gonna clean up. And I contemplated putting those two plants in that planter right there. I'll wait. I'm gonna put something in there. Yeah, we still have a few weeds to attend to. We need to pressure wash the all these brick right here, make it look a little nicer. I don't know if I'm gonna buy some more rock just to freshen it up a little bit. I don't really know. And I need to buy some more mulch. I probably need to make a list. You can see the what do you call it? The bird bath between the tree there. I need to buy some cactus for that. and either plant these in that thing or buy some new plants for that. Yeah, maybe a bag of dirt. What else? And then I'm going crazy here because then I said, do we have any more shelves? We could put 2 shelves there for Bob's bonsai trees when he buys some more.
Easy.
And there, Gary said, what is that? I'm like, I don't know. It looks like a squirrel or something chewed a hole in our soffit. Lovely. So there's that. And yeah. Well, I got bit by 2 ants. That's it. So that's actually not bad.
Yeah, I
right?
suppose.
Because it dried out. It seems like when it's more wet or something. I don't know. Anyway, I still didn't change that flag out. I think I need it. I don't know where it is. I don't even know if I have one. That may be the fall one, and it just stayed up there all year last year or this year. So I might need to order a new one from Amazon. Okay, I've got everything put away. Gary's still gonna hang that thing. I'm gonna blow everything off with the leaf blower. Clean everything up. Yeah. Now, are you gonna do that?
Huh?
Are you gonna be able to reach?
Yeah.
Okay. All done. I can stand back. Okay, that looks good. Thanks, Gary. I think that's it. You want to say peace out? We're done.
We're done.
Peace out, guys. Enjoy your day. Until next time. I said that backwards. I think Calvin missed me because I was outside all day. And I missed getting footage. Oh no, I did show you that. He was in the window looking at us crying and meowing. Where are you going? Okay. Are you done now?